Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good dragon gear. What do we got next?
An empty table.
So, as you can see, unlike a video we're going to release later today, which is the 1/20th,
And the 1 ounce kookaburra.
and 1 ounce cook, which I believe has already been released today. We have the 5 ounce dragon and the 1 kilo dragon in silver being released today. However, we hope to have the stock here. It hasn't arrived yet. So they are available on our website, so bullionnow.com.au for pre-order. You'll also be able to phone in 1300 84 84 10 and order them that way, or you can drop by the store, level 6 227 Collins Street, and place your pre-order for the 5 ounce dragon and the 1 kilo dragon in silver. However, expected deliveries. The kilo has been shipped out of Perth. We're expecting that to arrive on Monday. So short delay on that one. There's the 5 ounce hasn't been shipped out of Perth. It's going to be shipped either today or tomorrow. So I'm not expecting to see that till kind of Wednesday, Thursday next week. So that's kind of expected delivery times on those. To here, they'll be available from pickup at about those sort of times, or a few days after that you should receive them if you're having them shipped out. That's about it on those ones. Great design. We've seen them before.
Yeah, we are expecting the 5 ounce to disappear rather quickly. So if you did want to grab one of those, I'd be leaning towards getting it sooner rather than later. The kilos tend to last a little bit longer. I'd say at least a couple of weeks on those, sometimes even months, depending on. But yeah, definitely I would recommend grabbing the 5 ounce if you were wanting one.
We probably need to address the elephant in the room as to if the 5 ounce, because the 5 ounce is always released fairly late, and it's always been traditionally in very limited numbers for Series 3, and there's always the most sought after in sizes. I'm a little cautious this year because they have managed to get them produced by January and released. So will they be the most sought after and rarest of the dragons? We actually don't know at this stage. I'm leaning towards a yes on that one.
We still have limited numbers, if that's anything to go by, but that's it. We may see another production run out of Perth, which we haven't seen before, in Series 3. Not
in Series 3 we haven't. So look, I'm personally grabbing some for my stack, just in case. But I am sticking an asterisk next to this to say, hey, we may actually get a second run later on in the year, in which case they won't be as sought after as we thought. But I still think it's going to be one of the hot ticket items for the year.
Good stuff. All right, that's enough waffle out of us. We will see you a little bit later today for another video coming for release day today. So stay tuned for that one as well. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you later.
It's all action-packed. We will see you very soon.